Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. Here's what's moving markets this morning. The Trump administration just hit a major energy milestone with U.S. crude production reaching 13.6 million barrels per day, the highest of any country globally. That's crushing oil prices, which dropped 18% in 2025 to $65 per barrel. Natural gas hit a record 110.1 billion cubic feet daily, and gasoline is down to $2.90 per gallon. These numbers matter because lower energy costs mean reduced input expenses across manufacturing and transportation sectors, directly impacting corporate margins. But here's the tension. While energy prices fall, equity markets are flashing warning signals. The S&P 500 failed again to break convincingly above 7,000, currently sitting at 6832. Options strategist Lawrence McMillan notes this mirrors the failed breakout pattern from March-April 2025 that preceded a sharp decline. Key support levels to watch are 6,800 and 6,720. A breach below 6,720 would be highly negative. The VIX spiked to 23.10 on February 5th, creating what McMillan calls a spike peak buy signal, valid for 22 trading days. For active traders this week, McMillan recommends near-term straddles on high-volatility earnings plays, including DoorDash, Alibaba, Carvana, and Walmart. He's also initiating a new position on NatWest Group with August expiration strangles. In Washington, the partial government shutdown affecting DHS enters week 2 with no deal in sight. 250,000 federal employees remain impacted. Senate Democrats are demanding a 10-point list of ICE reforms, including judicial warrants before operations, sparked by fatal shootings during Minnesota enforcement actions. Republicans in the White House reject these conditions outright. Meanwhile, ICE is ramping up capacity dramatically, planning 8 mega centers holding up to 10,000 detainees each, targeting 92,600 total beds by November 30th. Voter ID legislation is fracturing Democratic unity. The SAVE Act passed the House but faces Senate filibuster hurdles. Senator Fetterman broke ranks, rejecting Leader Schumer's Jim Crow 2.0 characterization, noting 84% of Americans support voter ID requirements. On the international front, Secretary Rubio sealed a civil nuclear cooperation agreement with Hungary and met with Zelensky ahead of crucial Geneva peace talks on Ukraine, with a June deadline looming for a settlement. Iran's deputy foreign minister says the ball is in America's court on nuclear negotiations, demanding sanctions relief while Trump maintains military pressure with additional carrier strike groups deployed. Market internals show breadth oscillators making all-time highs and new 52-week highs dominating new lows, but equity-only put-call ratios are on sell signals. The divergence suggests caution is warranted despite bullish breadth. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.